So when we come back, you know, you're going to have this sitting outside along with a cup. See? So then JK is all ready. And let's see. These bowls, they go in this drawer. And you look for mistakes that McCrae leaves. See? Rewash. Bad husband. Okay. And then, oh, it's a good idea to plug this in, because then you get to see some pretty pictures. Let's see some pretty pictures. Oh boy. Is that the right one? Yeah, there it is, Pan Digital. We keep tomatoes over there, and we keep bananas in the other one. Oh, look! San Miguel de Allende. You gotta go there. It's just wonderful. Other things to see, we keep cereal up there. Oh, I guess that's a cooking thing. Oh well. And on this side, sometimes what we do is we cut the chicken and put it in here. Then we cover it with cling wrap. That's always nice. And our favorite, Ziploc. This is how we organize our luggage, all the things in our luggage. This is useful when you are microwaving. You put it over the bowl. Interesting.